Chironji, also known as charoli or Chironji nuts, is a small nut that comes from a tree native to India. These nuts have been used in traditional Indian medicine for centuries and are known for their numerous health benefits. One of the main benefits of Chironji nuts is their high nutritional value. They are a good source of protein, healthy fats, and various vitamins and minerals. This makes them a great addition to a balanced diet, especially for vegetarians and vegans who may struggle to get enough protein from other sources. Chironji nuts are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They contain compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for those with conditions like arthritis or other inflammatory diseases. In addition to their anti-inflammatory properties, Chironji nuts are also believed to have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to various diseases and aging. Another benefit of Chironji nuts is their potential to improve heart health. They are a good source of healthy fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also contain magnesium, which is important for maintaining a healthy heart rhythm and blood pressure. Chironji nuts are also believed to have aphrodisiac properties. In traditional Indian medicine, they are often used to improve sexual health and libido. Some studies have suggested that Chironji nuts may help improve fertility in both men and women. In addition to their health benefits, Chironji nuts are also used in cooking. They have a mild, nutty flavor that can add a unique touch to both sweet and savory dishes. They are often used in Indian desserts like kheer and halwa, as well as in savory dishes like curries and rice pilafs. Overall, Chironji nuts are a versatile and nutritious food that offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether you are looking to improve your heart health, reduce inflammation, or simply add a new ingredient to your cooking repertoire, Chironji nuts are definitely worth considering.